Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you something that I think you're really going to love. How I managed to get a massive amount of stars and coins in just a few minutes. And yes, this method still works in 2025, and it's fully updated for both iOS and Android users. Before we dive in, just take a quick look at my phone screen. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. I've got an insane number of resources right now. This isn't some recycled trick that no longer works. I've tested it myself, it's legit. And I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I followed so you can do it too. Now, I know there are a ton of videos out there that promise results and end up wasting your time, but I promise this isn't one of them. I'll guide you through everything in real time, step by step, and I'll explain each part clearly so you don't miss anything. Whether you're brand new or you've tried similar methods before, you'll find this process simple, safe, and fast. All you need to do is watch the video until the end and follow along with me. Don't skip any steps because even one small mistake could prevent the method from working properly. But trust me, if you stick with me, you'll have your stars and coins in no time, and you'll be able to enjoy the game so much more without hitting any of those annoying paywalls. So if you're ready, let's jump right into the tutorial and get you those resources. Let's go. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. RocketMods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Royal Match and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.